Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a helpful guide for those of you who own a Samsung SolarCell Remote and are having trouble with it. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your remote isn't responding as it should, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to reset your Samsung SolarCell Remote. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Check batteries. The first thing to check when your Samsung SolarCell Remote isn't working is the batteries. It may sound simple, but a lot of issues can be resolved by replacing old or weak batteries. Make sure to use fresh, high-quality batteries for optimal performance. Step 2. Power cycle the remote. If changing the batteries doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to power cycle the remote. Simply remove the batteries, wait for about 10 seconds, and then reinsert them. This helps reset the remote and can often resolve connectivity problems. Step 3. Resync the remote. If power cycling doesn't work, try resyncing the remote with your Samsung SolarCell system. The process may vary, but generally, there should be a sync button on both the remote and the solar panel. Press the sync button on the panel first, and then press the sync button on the remote. This establishes a fresh connection between the two. Step 4. Factory reset, if needed. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset on the remote. Keep in mind that this will erase any custom settings, so use this as a last resort. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset specific to your Samsung SolarCell Remote model. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick and easy troubleshooting guide on how to reset a Samsung SolarCell Remote. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.